2025 is the year of the AI agent. People are making tons of money by just building, utilizing, and even selling these powerful AI systems. Now, I'm going to show you my current favorite platform for building and deploying these. Now, this platform is called Lindy AI. Interesting name for sure, but this platform is extremely powerful. It's like a mix between MindPal and N8N, or even Make. Because not only can you just drop in and start creating AI agents, but you can also string those together and integrate them with third-party platforms that are already available within this platform. You don't have to worry about sending HTTP requests or webhooks. There are a ton of integrations for platforms such as YouTube that you can just drag and drop and then connect your agents to, and then give them access to different tools within these platforms for them to automatically carry out whatever tasks that you want them to do. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to build exactly what you see here. This is a content repurposing agent that transcribes a YouTube video via a link that you give it. You can ask the agent questions about this video, and it will respond with whatever answers that you're looking for, in addition to taking that transcript and creating a blog post for it. This agent is perfect for content creators or businesses who want to amplify their SEO, or just businesses overall who want to scale their content creation by taking long-form video content, turning it into long-form written text content. And then from there, you can even build this out further to take that blog post and then scatter it out into various different formats that can be used as tweets or Instagram carousels, Facebook posts, you name it. If you don't want to build this out yourself, in the community, you can go to the AI Agent Architecture course right here. And then under Lindy AI Agents, you can see I have this exact workflow right here. So you can just grab the template by clicking this link, and it will load it right here for you. So how this actually works is it starts with a message that the agent receives. So you essentially chat with this agent. So in this message received node, we have a greeting message. So anyone who's viewing this, like if you embed this form on a web page as a product, anyone who's viewing this, they are prompted to do whatever is in here. So this agent is saying, send me a YouTube video URL that you want to chat with. It will transcribe the video. I mean, obviously it will prompt the user to send them the URL for that video. And then it will go down here and it will send the user a summary of that video. And so here we have the prompt and the model that we're going to be using for this task. So we're using Claude 3.5 Sonnet, and it says, first, send the user a descriptive breakdown of the video. Highlight any metrics, numbers, key details, names, and company information. If the user asks follow-up questions, respond to each one succinctly. Double-click on details that the user seems interested in. Okay, so it's sending us a breakdown of the YouTube video, and then it's allowing the user to ask follow-up questions about what it just transcribed. So it's basically taking a video and then using that as a database for you to dissect even further. And so now we have some conditions. So the first condition here is after a reply is received, did the user ask any follow-up questions? Do they have any follow-up questions? And if they do, they will go right up here, and it will then do the second part of this prompt, and it will respond to each follow-up question. And then if we go down further, if the user requests a blog post from this transcription, it will go to the copywriting agent here. So here we have a prompt that makes the copy sound very human. And then again, we have the Claude 3.5 Sonnet model. It's the best at this time of recording for copywriting. And then we can also ask for confirmation, which is requiring the user to actually confirm whether or not it wants this step to execute. Then we can also have any skills attached to this agent, which we're not going to go over in this video, but you can kind of just browse through here. And again, like I said at the beginning of this video, you can give your agent a bunch of different skills for it to use depending on whatever platform. So we can just scroll through here and you can see all the native platforms that this platform can integrate with. It's extremely, extremely powerful. Okay, so once it creates the blog post, it will go down here to another condition. So I have it set to go down this path if the user wants this blog to be automatically posted onto their blog using Imperium, which is our software. Obviously, you can change this to whatever you want. And honestly, this step of the workflow is optional because from there, If the user does want to post this, it will then go down. Again, we have another condition, and then it will go down here and execute an HTTP request that we have connected to our Imperium account. So it will automatically post this blog to Imperium. But you can have this set to whatever you want. You can integrate whatever platform. You can do this on WordPress. You can even send this information to something like N8N, if you're familiar with that platform, or Make or Zapier, to then further make this workflow even more complex. Or you can just build this workflow out more in depth here, right on this platform. Now let me show you what this looks like in action. So by clicking test, right up here, you can see that we have a little box on the side that will allow us to interact with this workflow. So you can see we have our preset message, and then we have a conversation starter right here. So if I go down here and I just paste the URL, we're going to send this message, and then we can see that it's working. So it gets the URL, it goes to YouTube, and now it's transcribing the video. So now it should send us a summary, and it just did. So this is the last video I did, which is the easiest way to make money in 2025. And so you can see that it's breaking down all the key points of this video. The 3 main ways to make money with AI: products, physical or digital, services and consulting, and affiliate marketing. Goes over the business structure overview, all the marketing, monetization, all the key metrics, the business model components. It literally breaks down everything. So if I have any follow-up questions and I ask, what tools can I use for this business model? If I send that, it should go down here, realize that it's a follow-up question, loop back. Now it's referencing that transcription and then coming up with an answer. So here we go. We have all of the different tools that it recommends that we can use for this system, for this business. And then at the end, it says the video emphasizes that all these components can be integrated into a single system, like the AI profit system, which you can get for free with the link down below. But as you can see, I can just keep asking it questions and it will keep referencing back to that video. It's extremely powerful. So now I want this as a blog post. So let's create a blog post for this. Just like that, send it. So now you can see that it recognized that we're requesting a blog post. It's going to the copywriting agent. It's letting us know that it's creating a blog post. So now we have a blog post for everything that's in that video. Okay, and like I said, similar to this transcription, it breaks everything down. And now we can use this as a template for a blog post, or we can just copy and paste this as a blog post. However lazy you want to be with it, it doesn't really matter. Then, as I mentioned before, this can be built out further. So if you want to send this to get posted automatically or put as a draft, you can send this to Notion to write it out further. There really is no limit to what you can build with this. And as of recording this, I am building out an AI business partner. I'm building out as much as I can, giving it as many tools and resources as possible. We're actually sharing a database for content creation and everything. You can follow that journey right here on YouTube, or if you want to follow me on Instagram, you can check that out as well. I break down everything, what I'm doing, why I'm doing it, and I'll show what he looks like behind the scenes in a later video. But hopefully this gets you excited. Literally, this is such a simple workflow, but it is extremely powerful, especially if you wrap this as a product and put it on a website to sell, or if you want to build this out as a service for other people or other businesses. And this is exactly what we teach in the Entrepreneur Empire, which again, you can see down below. You can get a free training to see exactly how you can build, utilize, and sell these systems and capitalize on 2025, which is the year of the AI agent, to conquer AI and build a digital empire. If you want to learn more about that and you don't want to click a free link, you can watch this video right here. Again, it goes in depth on how you can make money in 2025 using AI. So hopefully you found this valuable. Hopefully you're excited as I am for this kind of tech. It's only going to get better. So I'll see you in the next video. Keep conquering.